The first question about the construction of a triangle. So the first thing you need to know is the requirements that we will be using. The compass direction plus the pencil. We have the ruler here. We have the protractor that we will be using to measure the angle. We use this one to measure the length. So the first thing that we require is to know the length of each side of the triangle. So constructing a triangle, when you have been given the length of 3 sides, the sides are 7 centimeters, 5 centimeters, and 3 centimeters. So we will start with the longest length of 7 centimeters. So we can draw a straight line. Let us label here A, and then we measure 7 centimeters. Go to 7 centimeters mark. These are centimeters, unit of measurement. We'll make an arc here, and this is point B, and this one is 7 centimeters. So the next length is 5 centimeters. So we measure 5 centimeters starting from 0 to 5 centimeters. And then you draw an arc. This arc is for 5 centimeters. And then the next length is 3 centimeters. So we measure 3 centimeters. 3 centimeters. This is 3 centimeters. So we also make an arc starting from point P. So this is the arc. So the point where the two intersect is point C. So let us draw the triangle. That is point C. And then we start labeling here. This is 3 centimeters. And this is 5 centimeters. I hope that is clear. You are given the 3 lengths, and then you can construct a triangle given 3 lengths. So the next triangle is when you are given 2 angles and 1 length. So construct a triangle when the sides measures 9 centimeters and 2 angles measures 65 degrees and 43 degrees. So we want to construct a triangle. So we start by use the most important tool that we'll be using is this one, which will be used to measure the angles. That measures the length of this nini. So we need to know the measurement of the angles of each and then their length. So we start by drawing their length. This is, let me label here to be point A, and this one. So we measure 9 centimeters. 9 centimeters. So these are 9 centimeters mark. So this is the length. So this is B. So this is B. So the next we need to get this angle here, which measures 65 degrees. So starting from here, we will be using the inner measurement. So this is 65 degrees. Please make sure you use the inner one when you want to measure from this side. So this is 65 degrees. And then we draw a straight line. We label this one first was 9 centimeters. This one is 65 centimeters. Not centimeters actually, but it is degrees. I'm sorry. This is 65 degrees. So you make sure you draw a very long length because you don't know the actual measurements that you will get from here. So the next one is 43 degrees. So you measure from this point. This is, you use now the outer measurement. So this is 43 degrees, almost to 45. Then you draw a straight line. You draw a straight line, and where the 2 meet is point C, you measure. So this is how many degrees? This is 43 degrees, and this one will now give you the triangle that you will get, given two angles and 1 length. So I think you are comfortable constructing a triangle when given two angles and one length. So the last one that we will be constructing is when you have two sides and one angle. Construct a triangle that has sides that measures 12 centimeters and 7 centimeters and an angle that measures 51 degrees. So we will start with the longest length, that is 12 centimeters. So we can construct this one. It has 12 centimeters. So first of all, you need to get the length. This is 12 centimeters. So this is 12 centimeters. Make sure it is 12 centimeters. So starting from here to this point. So you make sure you draw a very long length so that it covers the length that you require. So this is 12 centimeters. You label here A, and this point B, and this is 12 centimeters. Here you now need to construct an angle of 51 degrees. So using the protractor here, you can make the angle of 51 degrees. So when you are at this point, you read the inner measurement. So this is 51 degrees. On the other side, it is 129. So this is 51 degrees. You draw a straight line. You draw a straight line, and then you label here 51 degrees. Okay. So the next one is you are given the length to be 7 centimeters. So we measure 7 centimeters. 7 centimeters. So please make sure you make correct measurement. So starting from here, this is 7 centimeters, and where the two intersect is point C. So you join C with point B. So this is point C. So this one will give you 7 centimeters. So when you are given two sides and one angle, you can comfortably construct a triangle. Thank you so much, and have a nice time.